back. Today we are going to show how to connect your Galaxy Watch Active 2 with the all-new iPhone 11. At first, download the Galaxy Watch app from the App Store. Tap on App Store. Select the Search tab and type in Galaxy Watch. Select the Galaxy Watch app and tap on Download. Tap on Download again and wait for a while. Now open the Galaxy Watch app. Tap on OK to use the Bluetooth and start the journey. And there are a lot of options. Kindly select Galaxy Watch Active 2. Tap on Connect. Now accept the pairing request in both the devices. Tap on how to use and kindly go through the instructions. And at the end, tap on Done. Now the watch is paired. Now tap on Report Diagnostic, which is optional, and then tap on Agree. Now tap on Allow to receiving notifications. Tap on OK to access your calendar, and tap on OK to access your contacts. We are going to skip the step where you need to sign in with your Samsung account. There are some instructions on how to make and receive calls on your watch. You can go through them and select OK. And you can see the watch is now connected with your iPhone 11. Now tap on Find My Watch. Tap on Start. As you can see now, the watch is now connected with your iPhone 11. Thank you for watching this video.